to make a palette of the color from this picture by using Eyedropper tool. I will use it very simple. I will make a few squares here, maybe 3. I'm going to recognize the main colors on the picture, so we can see the yellow is the main color. I'll click here and I'll just click here to catch the main color. I also want to catch the green color from here, or maybe this green is better. And I also want to catch the gray color from here. Okay. Now when I have the main 3 colors, I have a palette of the colors with hashtags here. I can also copy hashtags and maybe paste it here. Okay. Now when I have my main colors, design will be much easier to finish.